Here at interPRO Cabinets, we supply do-it-yourself savvy homeowners and contractors with the full line of semi-custom cabinets from Canada's largest cabinet manufacturer. Our objective is making it more affordable for them to invest in a quality kitchen, vanities, and a laundry room that improve the function, appearance, and value of their homes. interPRO was established in 2006, so we have over 13 years of experience as a cabinet supplier to builders and renovators. Our stunning new showroom, unparalleled attention to detail and product design knowledge, better than big box pricing, and of course, friendly service keep our DIY homeowner clients satisfied and contractors coming back job after job. We have gone to the market to find the most consistently high-quality Canadian-made cabinetry in a wide array of current styles that offers key elements and ingredients such as cutting-edge features, customization, and quick turnaround times regardless of the order size, all at competitive prices. KitchenCraft cabinetry fulfills all the criteria. Offering thousands of choices and full access construction, our designers will help you tailor KitchenCraft's fashion-forward cabinetry to match your lifestyle and taste. And because they're constructed with superior techniques and materials, they'll stand the test of time. If you are ready to create an environment within your budget that is highly contemplated, exceptionally user-friendly, and incredibly inviting, please drop by our showroom at the corner of Laird and Clare Roads in Guelph, just across from the water tower, and begin the conversation with one of our enthusiastic designers.